Hi friends! Currently I was thinking, what if there is no more lockdown and we can visit places we would like to go? I thought of Disneyland, and this would be the makeup I will be wearing. I am no pro in putting makeup on, so this video is beginner friendly, just sharing my makeup idea. First, I use primer as a base. The makeup will stay longer the whole day, especially if you will be staying outside. Next one, I use BB cream for the T-zone to make a soft and clear color, and foundation to cover uneven color. After I use sponge to blend all, just apply it through your T-zone and blend it with the sponge. I use concealer to conceal red spots and especially my dark circles. I use the tip of a brush and use the sponge again to blend it all together. For contour, I use a darker foundation and also use a contour cream. I just apply it in a long stroke manner in the corners and on the corner of my nose. I use sponge to blend it all together. For the eyebrows, I use wax on the middle hair to have a natural look, and to add color I use brown pencil, starting in the middle, just making line like drawing, and just to add more color I also use powder to blend and then blend it all together. Blend it until you are happy on how it looks like. To give more definition, I use a brush, and normally I just use a concealer, put a white line on the edge of the eyebrows to make it more defined, just like this. Stroke it under the eyebrows and then also in the upper eyebrows. For the eyeshadow, I use a lighter shades for the base and put glittery shades on the inner corner, and outer corner would be the brighter palette. I use an angle brush to apply in the edge of the eyelids. same brush for the under eye because it still have some eyeshadows. I also use pencil eyeliner to use as a base of the liquid eyeliner. Start with the tip going back to the middle eyelids. Take your time, slowly putting one line after the other. Did not show how I put my eyelashes. Maybe another tutorial when I'm better on putting it on. Last thing I do are my lips. I like this kind of effect. I like to put lip tint on the inner lips and add lip gloss. That's the look. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you liked the look. If you would like to know the makeup I used, I'll put the links in the description down below. Just click it. Comment what do you think. And because you've already watched until the end of this video, rate the video by clicking like or dislike. And as always, subscribe so I will see you in the next video. Bye!